You have a really stylish outfit, and you have a stylish outfit for your dog as well. I'm making a photography project, a video project for stylish people who dress stylish even in cold situations, cold weather. Ja vajag arī Latviju pateikt.
Mēs saprotam.
No, yeah, so basically, yeah, is it possible we can take few photos with you and your dog?
Nē, paldies.
2 photos, stylish photos, and I will send you professional retouched ones. You'll see the pictures, so you will think different. It's professional photos. It's my idea. Perfect. Oh, wow! Well, oh, this is fantastic. This is something extraordinary, beautiful, and yeah, this is yeah. So you see, but one more. It just, the dog is so cute and the outfit is so lovely and nice. Thank you. Thank you.